Oh my gosh! The stairs finally come! Hello, welcome to All Keys Surprisings. Today we're opening Shopkins Season 10!
We are so
Mini packs.
excited!
We opened up the 24 pack.
Okay, so we have two 16 packs and two 24 packs.
16, 24, 16, 24.
So you definitely want to subscribe and click on the notification button because we're going to have to split this up to two different videos because there's so many to open.
I know!
So you want to open both 24 packs on this one or one 24 pack and one 16 pack?
One 16 pack and one 24 pack.
Okay.
So the 16 pack, I want this one.
Okay.
We'll put this into the side.
And which 24 pack?
Let me see. How about this one? Now I just want to give a little fun heads up. So on this season, in season 1, which is this one, we'll have a gold one and it has a little 1 on there.
That is so cute. So the nice thing is you're going to be able to tell your original season 1s that you have won't have that on there. But since season 1, the collector's edition is bringing that back, you'll know if it's a season 10 collector's edition from season 1.
So season, like a season 3, it will have like a bronze color or a silver color. And it'll have.
Oh, they're bringing back previous seasons, just not season 1?
Oh no, they're bringing back season 1, season 3, and season 2.
Oh, I did not know this.
So the season 2 what you have, I think they'll have a silver with a 2 on it, and the season 3 I think it'll have a bronze color with a 3 on it, or it could be the other way around.
And then here's a new version of Cupcake Queen from season 1, but now it looks like she might be glitter. Ooh.
Glitter with pink and purple. My favorite color is pink and Mommy's favorite color is purple, and I love the gold.
So it's perfect. So now we're looking for this Cupcake Queen. We didn't find her in season 1, so we're hoping to find her here. Look how adorable the packaging is. That is so cute. Oh, look, there's Cheesy.
And this is his little packet.
Aww.
And then this one is a different packet, which we can open right now.
Okay.
It's a cute little Shopkins sticker.
So that one says Bakery Finds. Cute.
I know.
So you can reseal it up.
Yep. I'll just put it there. I wonder who we have. Oh my gosh, this one is a season 2. So season 2, I am right. It's a silver.
That is so cute.
And guess what? In this 16 pack, that's the same Shopkin.
Aww.
Isn't that funny? But I love duplicates.
There's Cheesy. So cute. And then you can open and close the little Dairy Good container, right?
Yep.
So that's what's so neat about these is that you can store them and you can play with these. That is awesome. I like the packaging.
I'm stuck. I'll get you out, Cheesy.
Okay, let's see who we have inside.
Okay. Let's see. Yes.
I'm excited to see all the new containers.
Me too.
So the 16 packs, when you get those, you can see who's inside, but you cannot see what containers are inside of the 12 pack.
Check this. Like, guess who they brought back?
Who?
Marshmallow!
Whoa.
And Marshmallow's one of my favorites, you see.
We have not found any limited editions from Shopkins, so we're very excited.
So let's do this candy wrapper one.
Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Oh, that's adorable.
Let's do the candy wrapper one first.
Okay, you want to do the candy wrapper? Oh, look in the back, it says candy mix.
Oh, I think this is going to be from season 3. And then what do we...
Oh, so does it show you on the outside the medallion? Does that match the season that will be inside?
Yes.
I did not know that. That is pretty cool.
And you see this little thingy? That's how you can wrap it. This little thingy.
Oh, so you can reuse that. That is so neat.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I just saw through the back. Oh my gosh, it's Lollipoppins! I see, oh wait a second. Hold on. Is that season 1? Yes, that is the season. It's Lollipoppins!
She's adorable.
Season 1. Oh my gosh, I love Let's do this bento box.
Oh, that's cute. A dinner
Let's
box.
open it. Gonna open it. I think it's gonna be the sushi one. It's Taco Timmy from season 3.
Oh, that's
I was
cute.
right about. It was a bronze color, but actually it's like a rose gold color.
That's cool. Taco Terry. We love Taco Terry.
Taco Terry. I'm a Taco Terry. Hello, buddies. I love tacos because I'm a taco.
You're silly.
Now let's do this donut box because I think Delish Donut's gonna be in there.
That is so cute. Baked bites.
Look at the muffins,
Oh.
different treats, little.
Oh, that's so cute. I think that's like Danny Danish. But these are adorable.
I was season 1, but who is it? Minnie Muffin!
Oh, she's cute.
From
No, she's in a new
season 1.
color, right?
Yeah. Now here's the thing, they're gonna be retro. She's seafood, she's purple, and she's retro.
I like that.
And
That
look.
is so cute.
Season 1.
Oh,
Wow, that is awesome.
that is
Let's
awesome.
open like this makeup box.
Oh.
Makeup box. Oh, a cake box. The cake box, you see? Cake.
Fresh cakes. Oh, that is so cute.
And the top just slides off.
I like it because you don't have to rip them open. They're reusable.
Whoa! Chocolate. Oh no, this isn't chocolate. Who is it?
Oh, who is that?
This is a season 1. Holy moly! This is not a season 1. Oh no, season 3. Yes.
Is
season
that-
3. Look, and she's pink. Retro pink.
That is Scony.
My name is Goon.
That is so cute.
Next, you have to open this little like flower.
Oh, wait. Maybe that isn't Scony. Hold on.
That isn't scone. Yeah, I was thinking it wasn't. Let me-
Nope, I am wrong. That is, and she's still an ultra rare. That is Cheese Louise.
Yes, that's what her name was.
Oh, that's so cool.
And look, we have flower, I think.
Oh, does it have a little resealable sticker on it too?
Yep. Which we can just put there.
So now the those are collectibles too, because there's a checklist for all of the little containers.
Oh, there is? That's cute.
But definitely stay tuned till the end, and I'll show you a close up of the checklist.
Look, it's a season 1 and one of my favorites.
We love her now. She was originally a glitter one, right?
Yes, but now she's blue. She has a rattle. Look, she has a rattle.
That's Sugar Lump.
A pacifier. Look, a rattle.
She's adorable.
A yellow pacifier. This is so cute.
Now she is a rare.
Now you want one of the milk carton.
I did. Oh my goodness.
Have you opened this? Oh, from the bottom. You see?
And that way you can leave the top closed.
Whoa, she is totally different.
Oh my goodness.
I
Who is that?
I think they went a little crazy on the mouth. They accidentally printed her mouth a little upwards. Not where her mouth was, but she's so cute.
That is Dollops. Oh, she's cute. She's a common.
I love Donna. Okay, so next we're gonna open this fruit carton.
You're right. It looks like she has a lot of lipstick on.
Yes, because her mouth, the pink stuff is a little bit up. You see that?
I do. So yes, definitely at the end I'll show close-ups of all the Shopkins and a close-up of the checklist. Oh, I love the little fresh fruit container. These are so cool. I love it because now you're gonna be able to stock your small mart.
Pipsy Melons. Melanie Pips.
Melanie Pips. Oh, and she was originally a glitter too.
I bet she's a common now.
Oh, she's so cute. So she is Melanie Pips. Nope, she's a rare.
Oh, she's a rare. But watch this. This is a shoe one.
Oh, that's so cute.
Watch this.
Happy heels.
You can.
Oh, I like that. Oh, these are so neat because everything's so even though it's season 1, 2, and 3 again, everything's different with the containers.
Snooky. I'm just gonna stop. Yep, this is a bronze color for season 3.
That's Sneaky Sally.
Sneaky Sally, thank you.
Oh my gosh. So, kiddo, what is your favorite season of
Season 1 and season 9. Season 9 and season 1 and season 10.
Oh my goodness. So I'd have to say season 1's my favorite. And I love that they're bringing these back, especially for people who missed out on season 1. Divine cakes, that is so cute. I love the cake box. So let us know in the comments below what your favorite season is, and if you're excited like us to see the new, the old season come
Carrie
back.
Cake, her name is not good. Look, she has a carrot. Season 2.
Carrie Carrot Cake.
What? Wait. I just noticed a feature. Her eyes are colored.
Oh,
Look, all their eyes are colored.
right.
And normally their eyes aren't colored.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. Good catch. You're right. On the original ones, they were not. Oh, that is so cute. Corn, you love corn.
It just shows vegetables and all that. We have from season 1, Rockin' Brock.
We love Rockin' Brock.
I do.
Rockin' Brock is a rare.
And also that's all of them. We opened all of them from the 24 pack.
Okay, let's go ahead and open a 12 pack. We'll start that. Ooh, that was not good at all. The camera just landed. That's not good.
Oh my gosh, that's quite funny.
We need the camera so we can finish the video.
Girl's funny.
Is that Pamela Pancake?
Uh-huh.
Oh, she's so cute.
Season 1.
Pamela Pancake, and what is her container?
Her container is this little cereal box. I know that. It's because there is nothing in there.
Because they show one Shopkins open and then, right, her container. That is so cute.
Yep. And now I want to open this one.
Oh, sweet collection. Is that a chocolate box?
Oh, I think it is.
Here do you have?
Mentimus Maximus.
No way.
Which is actually better known as, her real name is Minty.
Minty, is that her name?
Yes, Minty. I think it's open this one next. This one looks hysterical.
What is that? Chef's Choice.
I think you open up. Oh no!
Oh, does it slide? Oh, there. Oh, perfect.
Yeah, it's a little plastic.
I just love that how you could reuse the containers.
Olive oil. I think that's her name.
Oh, she's purple because they were translucent.
Yep.
In the original season.
Season 2.
Okay. So she
Bento box time.
is
I'm opening the bento box again.
another, but Olivia Oil. And she's
Olivia?
a common.
I'm opening a bento box. You see? This
Oh,
is
it's
the
a
box I
takeout
found.
box.
Takeout box.
Dinner box.
Another Taco Terry!
Oh, duplicate. We like Taco Terry. Okay, so in this season, you will not receive duplicates in different colors.
That's okay. Alright, Alma.
That's right. Oh, that's so cute. Now, I wonder if you're always good, because that's the same container. So does that mean you're always going to open the same
Oh my
Shopkins?
gosh. I just got a limited edition! I just got a limited edition!
No way, I didn't even see what box she was in. What box was she
She was in this box.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
gosh, this is my first one edition from a mini pack. She was in this container. Oh my gosh, and she's one of the jewelries. Oh my gosh.
You've always wanted a jewelry
Oh
limited
my
edition.
gosh.
Oh, that is Brenda Brooch.
Oh my gosh.
Brenda
From
Brooch.
Season 3. Oh my gosh. I knew we were going to get a limited edition. I knew it. Last night, we were going to open opened them last night and I was so confident. Look at it now. Oh my gosh. The day has finally come.
I cannot believe it. Okay, let me zoom in on her. Oh, I'm so happy you're excited.
That's my reaction. So I'm just opening it, thinking I'm not going to get a limited edition. I'm just like, wait a second. I felt the paper and I'm just like, there's two things in here. I'm just like, wait a second, it's just a limited edition.
I just wish I had zoomed out and had your expression when you opened it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited, kiddo. Okay, let's zoom in on her.
I will treasure her forever. You have to read the whole card.
Okay, let's see here. I almost missed the moment because I was trying to figure out if you're going to open the same Shopkin from the containers.
Oh my gosh.
Her.
Oh my gosh. I want to cry. I so badly want to cry.
That's how excited you are?
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Okay, here, let me...
Also, what do you think of that? That is amazing, ladies.
Okay, so here's a close-up of her too. She's so adorable, and I love the card she comes with. And she says, congratulations. You have just found a limited edition Brenda Brooch. Is it Brooch or Brooch? Brooch. She is 1,627 of 10,000. Oh, that is so cool. And you can see, since she's translucent, her coin in the back. Oh, someone's coming over to say hi.
Hi, my name's Chicken. I'm the
I think all the Shopkins are excited to meet her. Look at this.
I come back.
She has friends already. Oh my goodness. Oh, and one thing I want to show too. Here, let me flip over the card real quick. So it shows.
Mini packs.
Isn't that neat? So you know that you opened her from a mini pack.
That sounded like Season. That sounded like Cutie Cars. It goes Cutie Cars, Cutie Cars.
Oh, Elsa, what did you think of that?
That's awesome, ladies.
Oh my goodness.
Let me. Elsa, she's beautiful. She's mine. No, I opened her, so she's mine. So I said straight. This is my first one, and oh my gosh, I'm just so happy.
Okay,
So,
let's open. How many more do you have?
3 more because I also have these
okay.
inside here.
Okay, let me zoom back in. Okay, pantry essentials. That is awesome, kid.
Let's just open this up. Chloe flour. Basically, it's not Chloe flour.
No, that is. Is it Fifi flour?
Yes, Fifi flour.
I get confused. Is she season 1, right?
Season. Huh.
No, season 2.
Yes, I was about to say.
Okay, so Fifi flour season 2. So here's the mystery ones that you don't know what's going to be inside. Oh, that's cute with Rock and Brock. Oh, there's Strawberry Kiss on the top.
Cookie.
Oh, hi, Cookie.
And then we also have
Oh, who is that?
Flutter Cake.
Is that Flutter Cake?
Reminds me of Fluttershy. I think these two would be very best friends.
Oh, she's yellow and pink like Fluttershy.
And look. And here's the back. It has chippy chips.
Jimmy Chips, yummy.
Yummy. So
Okay.
let's open this up.
You know what's funny is I would have assumed that the limited edition would have been one of the hidden ones. Oh, that's a squeeze juice. Oh, that's cute.
I know. I'm just too excited.
You're so excited. I know what you're going to play with all day today.
I will hold her all day. Now this one
That one just went flying.
on the floor. I'll go get it.
Okay.
So here she is. Sour lemon.
So that is...
Season 2. Oh my gosh.
Kiddo's still excited about opening the limited edition. And I cannot blame her for that.
I'm just like, why does it feel like there's 2 pieces in here? And just like, wait a second.
Sour lemon, she's so cute.
Okay, let's
hold
open
on.
this cake one.
Okay. Our last one from the set.
Yes, I'm still freaking out. Oh, we have another duplicate.
Oh, that's okay. This is a great set. So that is, who is that again?
That is, Cheese Louise.
Okay, here's a close-up too of all the containers because they are on the checklist too.
Oh, what's that?
So I love the candy mix. Somebody snuck in a limited edition tag. There's Bakery Fresh, Dairy Good. Oh my gosh, Chef's Choice. I'm not sure what that is. Happy Heels. Oh, look who we have over here on top of the Harvest can.
Container.
Oh, and there's the little container on top of Fresh Cakes that she came in. That's so cute that she came in handy homewares.
She is not a handy homewares. She is a beautiful diamond. That's a diamond.
Then there's the cake box, fresh fruit, baked bites, a dinner takeout box, pantry essentials, kitchen essentials, the sweet collection chocolate box. That's so cute.
I know.
Squeezed juice, dairy fresh, another takeout box, and fresh cakes. Okay, so now we're gonna get ready to line up all of the
What a
Shopkins.
lovely day. Handzilla! Handzilla! That was a disaster. Jubal, Jubal.
So here's a close-up of everyone that we opened today. And as you can see, Kiddo cannot stop looking at her limited edition. She loves her. Oh, look at the shadow on your arm
Shadow, shadow.
with the glitter. And then Kiddo just pointed out something too on a limited edition.
So you know if they're not fake, look at the card's number and then look at her number.
It's hard to pick up on the camera,
She's gonna slip out of my hands.
but her number matches what's on the card. So that's pretty cool. That way you know you have an authentic limited edition. Oh, she's so pretty. I just love her. I still can't believe you have a limited edition.
Peter.
And then Kiddo put in here too the box that she came in, which is handy homewares. And
And put a duplicate taco cherry right there.
so there is a copy of her card. That is so awesome. And here's our other cute, adorable Shopkins too with a close-up. And I do love that the eyes.
Oh no, pink is purple and pink.
And then the one thing too that I noticed on Cheese Louise and is that
Mini muffin.
things I noticed on Cheese Louise and Mini Muffin with the bubbles on them. You're so cute. They are part of the Hot Spot Special Shopkins. And so they'll come in different categories.
No, it's a hot spot. That shotgun right there.
Okay, and here is a close-up of the checklist. So cute because there's Apple Blossom and Delish Donut. I almost forgot Delish Donut's name. All the mini packs are commons.
Because of course you're gonna get every single mini pack.
Right, so they're all common, rare, ultra rare, special edition, and limited edition.
Which is me.
Hotspot Special Shopkins, Clear Essential Shopkins, and Fantabulous Favorite Shopkins, which we just saw. She's part of the Fantabulous Favorite Shopkins.
That's right.
Okay, here's the fruit and veg section with their collectible containers, and there's Rock and Brock.
Who's right there?
And there's the rest of the section right there. Here is the takeout section with Taco Terry. Here is the frozen section.
Peas. What do we have from peas?
And here's the bakery section. It's really long. Oh, there she is. Hi.
Hi.
It's, I think, the biggest category for this season.
And it's a cookie.
Look at all of that, my goodness. And here is a limited edition. Aw, and we finally have one. Here's Sweet Treats with Mini Minty. Here is the dairy section with Cheesy. There is Homewares.
Homewares, which we do not have any of.
Nope, don't have any in that category yet.
We do have the box.
Oops.
Homewares.
Here is Pantry.
Do we have any pantries? Oh, yes, we
Yes.
do. Where is she?
We have Olivia Oil.
And
Oh, and Sugar Lumps. There they are.
one from season 1 and one from season 2.
Oh, I hope we find a Googie. That is so cool. Oh, we have Sugar Lump too.
Mhm.
And there's Fashion. Oh, Bun Bun Slipper's back.
Oh, we got a fashion one. Oh, right here.
There's Fashion.
And we didn't get any from this section.
No, Health and Beauty, not yet.
At this section either.
And last section is Cleaning.
I love the ball laundry.
So cute.
Yay! Give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to. Hit that subscribe button and share. Hope to see you next time. Bye!